The drum that spoke at midnight. Long, long ago, in the peaceful village of Umilk, there was a sacred drum hidden deep inside the forbidden grove of Oni, the earth goddess. It was said that whoever beat that drum at the wrong time would hear it speak, not with joy, but with a curse. Now, in this village lived a young man named Obinna. Strong, curious, and proud. His ears were always open to praise, but his heart was closed to warnings. One moonless night, as the elders told tales by the fire, an old man with grey hair like palm ash whispered, "Okuko gagi yua ij miko ehai gora inya aqua." A chicken's walk will not stop the cow from giving birth. The tale was of the sacred drum, how it once saved the village during a great war but demanded silence and respect ever since. But Obinna, who believed more in himself than in the gods, laughed. "I will beat that drum," he said. "What can it do to me? I am not afraid of wood and hide." The elders gasped. One woman spat on the ground and turned her face away. That same night, while even the crickets had stopped singing, Obinna tiptoed into the sacred grove. The moon hid behind the clouds as if refusing to watch what was about to happen. He found the drum, massive, ancient, with carvings of ancestors weeping on its wooden sides. A snake slithered past, warning him. The wind howled like a mourning mother. Still, Obinna raised his hand and struck the drum. Doom! 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 Suddenly, the earth trembled. The trees shivered. And then, the drum began to speak. "Obinna! Obinna, you have summoned the forgotten. You have awakened the hunger of the earth. The price must be paid." Obinna turned to run, but the grove had changed. No longer the forest he entered, but a place of red mist, shadows, and voices that sounded like crying children. For 7 days, the villagers heard the drum beating by itself. Every night, it echoed across the hills. When they finally entered the grove, they found the drum sitting in its place. But beside it was Obinna's wrapper, soaked with tears and red palm oil. His body was never found. From that day, no one in Umuk ever questioned the words of the ancestors. And so they say, "Oku oni isai oki abugi ACI, the words of the elders are not lies." If you hear the drum calling at night, do not answer. For some spirits are better left asleep.